Hi everybody and welcome back to my vlog. The title is patay na naman tayo dito. Ang hirap talaga maging reaction vlogger. So, the title of the song is Broken Symphony. Oh my gosh. Sa title pa lang, let's just check it out. What's gonna happen to me? So, of course, favorite ko ang bedroom session niya. So, without further ado, let's make a reaction own composition of Kaka. So, let's make a reaction out to Broken from the bedroom session.
Hi everyone, it's me again. And this is my new song that I just released. It's called Broken Symphony from my new album, Divine. And this is my bedroom session. Hope you guys like it. I'm right here, sitting in a very same place when you first said I love you to me. I'm still here, reminiscing the memories that cannot be repeated anymore. Together we've created love, but now what had happened to us? Guess now we're through, me and you. Though I know I won't be getting over you. You threw my love away for someone new. Guess now we're through, me and you. But deep inside I can't stop loving you. Go and break my heart all over again, just like a broken symphony. Just like a broken symphony. Oh, how could you moved on from me so easily,
Aww.
without no empathy? How could I drive alone in this sad city with only memory? Together we've created love, but now what had happened to us? Guess now we're through, me and you. Though I know I won't be getting over you. You threw my love away for someone new. Guess now we're through, me and you. But deep inside I can't stop loving you. Go and break my heart all over again, just like a broken symphony. Guess now we're through, me and you. Though I know I won't be getting over you. You threw my love away for someone new. Guess now we're through, me and you. But deep inside I can't stop loving you. Go and break my heart all over again, just like a broken symphony. You know you did hurt, baby, like a broken symphony. Thank you.
So there you have it, Broken Symphony by the bedroom session. Ang cute niya, no? He is so very simple but with grabe ang talented niya. So, That's his own composition from Divine album. So now I get it. Akala ko kasi, I thought that this is a song cover also. So this is the most relaxing performance. And then I thought that he is happy because of his emotion. It's like he's just relaxing and then smiling at the same time while singing that song. But if you can understand, I mean, if you can fully understand the song and the wordings, ang betrayal, it's very, ano ba yun? It's very sad song. And my favorite line is, "Aw, grabe!" The most heartfelt lyrics for me, ha, and the most painful. How could you move on from me so easily without no empathy? My gosh, how could I drive along in this sad city with only a memory? Ah, grabe. Tapos, what else? Go and break my heart all over again, like we're a broken symphony. So, it's very relaxing. I love the melody. I love the way he sings. Like a kind of jazz with love song. It's very catchy. For me, even though this song is about broken heart or I still love you even we're not together anymore kind of line, he already accepted it that there's no more us anymore after you broke my heart. Ganon. And I love how he performed in his bedroom. He's very simple guy, but very talented one. I love how he performed, whether it's his own composition or song cover, because I can feel his heart during the time that he's singing. Ano ba siya? Is he married? Is he happy? It's like he's always broken, but I love it. One thing that I love about him is he sing from his heart. Yun yun. If there's a storytelling, he's it's like the way he sing is like he always tell us a story about his frustration from his love life. This is the first time that I didn't try to his video, no? Because I told you it's like very jazzy. When we say jazzy, it's like there's a little bit of happiness when it's jazzy. For me, that's the jazzy sounds like. So, Broken Symphony. What can I say? This is a very simple performance, but it still breaks my heart. Okay. Do I still believe in forever? Do I still believe in love after all the pain and the chaos that I've been through? I don't know. For me, even I'm broken right now, I know that someday, somehow, I will be okay. And every day is a moving on process for me. But the most important is I forgive easily. Forgive myself, forgive the past. And the good thing is we are all moving forward. Only God knows if one day, one time, if I'm gonna meet someone again, maybe it's gonna work this time. But for now, I'm happy being by myself. Thank you, Sakura, because with your music, it's also telling my own story. Like a broken symphony. There you have it. Thank you so much. I hope you like my reaction. And if you want me to make a reaction to your favorite artist, like Karakrakan, please do comment down below. And I'm having fun during my reaction all the time. So thank you so much. Always believe in yourself, even you're broken. Put yourself first before anything else. Much love from Philippines. This is Enix signing up. See you again tomorrow.
How could you moved on from me so easily without no empathy? How could I drive alone in this sad city with only memories?